everyone, it's Tiffany and Nova with Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today we are bringing you a really cute threaded through elastic hairstyle. This one takes about 15 minutes and it is much easier than what it looks from the photo. So let's go ahead and get started. This style starts with a center section. I am making parts above the middle of her eyebrows so that I can get them even. You can see me measuring up to her eyebrow, the middle of her eyebrow, and then doing the same thing on the other side. You just want it even, and that's a great way to measure. From here, I'm going to go to the back of the crown and create another part and then loosely secure this section off for now. I'm going to follow that part that I made at the back of the crown in the middle and come all the way down to her ear. This will make a second section, and again loosely securing that off, and then we are going to create one more section on the other side. I'm coming back to the middle ponytail and I'm going to part it right down the center, creating two sections. I will then take the back and just clip it off so it's out of the way, and then this front area I'm going to split in half again. This is the easiest way to get it even. I'm going to have 4 ponytails, so if I split it in half and split it in half again, it's easier to eyeball and get it right. So I'm putting this first little area into a ponytail, and then the second section, I'm going to combine the first to the second, add it all together, and add an elastic for a second ponytail. From here, I'm going to bubble the hair out that's on top. So you're only going to be bubbling the part or gently tugging at what was in the first ponytail. Once you've gently tugged at it and got it bubbled out all the way across, then we can go to our back section. So I'm parting this in half again. And then second ponytail is going to be attached to the third ponytail, and I'm just going to repeat what I did with my first to second. Just taking this little area of hair that was from the second ponytail and kind of tugging at it to bubble it out. Then I'm going third to fourth ponytail. This is my last one, adding it all together, and then again I will bubble it out. Our next area we are going to focus on is one of the sides. You were only going to have 2 sections, so I'll part it down and then put my ponytail in my back section right in the center of the section, and then do another ponytail up front. You're going to repeat this on the other side, but I'm going to fast forward just a little bit since you kind of get the idea. So ponytail on the back and ponytail on the front. Next, I'm taking my Topsy Tail tool, which I will link. They're fairly inexpensive and I use them all the time. And I'm going to take the front ponytail, spray it down with some gel, and comb it out. This is really important because you want these side sections to be neat. I'm going to split it into 2, and then the piece that's closest to the middle, I'm going to go through a portion of my first bubble, thread the hair through, and then pull it through this area that I just put the Topsy Tail tool in. I'm going to then bring it back to the back side ponytail and clip it off. I'll repeat with the other section of hair that I just split into 2. So I'm going to come back to the second bubble, thread the hair through, pull it, and bring it over to the back ponytail. Now it's really, really important that you use spray gel in this style and smooth these sections as you go. It will just look so much sleeker and neater. We're going to repeat this again on the other side, splitting that front ponytail in 2, taking a small section of that front bubble, threading the hair through, and then guiding it back towards this second ponytail. Again, spraying my other piece, we're going to come back to the next bubble, thread my Topsy Tail, and pull the hair through. Smoothing as you go, and then adding the hair to the back. Our last and final step is to put all of these sections into a ponytail. I'm going to do kind of a mid ponytail. It's not super low, it's not super high. I'm just using my spray gel, some water, my brush and comb, creating a ponytail in the back, and then after I've created the ponytail, I will add the other 3 sections to this back ponytail. Once you've got all 3 sections into that back ponytail, you can leave it as a ponytail. We are going to do a little messy bun. So I'm pulling the hair halfway through and then wrapping it kind of through the middle, adding an elastic, and then I'm just going to pin the bun into place. I do have other tutorials specifically for messy buns, so if this was too fast, head on over to our YouTube channel and just search for our messy bun tutorials. And here is one more view of the finished style.
Thanks so much for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. We have tons of other videos and we will see you in our next one. See you later.
Bye.